In the wild, survival is a constant struggle, but for some animals, their own instincts or unique traits tragically lead to their end. While we're used to seeing large animals hunt smaller ones, there are rare instances where an animal's own behavior results in its demise. Today, we'll uncover these extraordinary cases and explore the somber reality of animals that inadvertently or instinctively end their own lives. Number 10. Honeybee. We all know the sharp, sudden sting of a honeybee, but here's a jaw-dropping fact you might not know. This very sting is a death sentence for the bee. It might sound unbelievable, but when a honeybee stings a person or animal, it's sealing its own fate. The bee's stinger, barbed and designed to stay put, gets lodged in the skin. As the bee tries to fly away, it ends up tearing away a significant portion of its abdomen, complete with vital organs like its digestive system, muscles, and nerves, left behind along with the stinger. This catastrophic injury is nothing short of tragic, as the bee succumbs to its wounds shortly after. It's a fascinating, albeit somber, reality about these tiny but incredibly important creatures.
Before we move on, share this video, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Number 9. The Babirusa. You might think this is just another pig, but hold on to your hats because this creature is far from ordinary. Meet the Babirusa, a truly unique marvel of nature. Its snout is elongated and its skin is remarkably tough. But the real jaw-dropper? Its 4 astonishing horns. Most animals sport just a pair, but the Babirusa flaunts 2 more that grow from its lower jaw. These horns aren't just for show, they're designed for fierce battles with rivals. However, there's a dark twist. These horns never stop growing. They curve inward as they lengthen, slowly but surely piercing the Babirusa's own skull. This excruciating process is part of the Babirusa's life cycle, as the horns eventually invade the brain, causing immense suffering and leading to the animal's demise. Number 8. The argali. The argali, also known as the mountain sheep, an awe-inspiring giant of the wild. Native to the rugged highlands of western East Asia, including the Himalayas, Tibet, and the Altai Mountains, this magnificent creature reigns as the largest species of wild sheep. Standing between 3 to 4 feet tall at the shoulder and measuring 4 to 7 feet from head to tail, the argali is a true colossus of the mountains. What sets the argali apart are its formidable sharp horns, which are essential for fierce territorial battles. But there's a dramatic twist. These horns never stop growing. As they extend, they can inflict severe muscle pain and suffering. The relentless growth eventually takes a tragic toll, as the horns can cause debilitating harm and, in the worst cases, even penetrate the skull. It's a breathtaking and tragic testament to the relentless power and struggle of this majestic mountain dweller. Number 7. The reindeer. Reindeer are renowned for their elegant stride and vibrant antics, flaunting a unique yellowish stripe during mating season. But here's the kicker. Their magnificent antlers, while essential for dominance, can also spell disaster. Males battle fiercely, and their antlers often get tangled, leaving them stuck and helpless. This entanglement can lead to starvation, dehydration, or a tragic end if they're trapped in water. It's a dramatic and intense side of their majestic lives that underscores the high stakes of their powerful presence. Number 6. Turtles. Turtles are often considered indestructible due to their long lifespans and their hard, protective shells, which offer significant defense against predators. However, these resilient creatures can still face fatal accidents. One such danger occurs if a turtle flips onto its back. In this vulnerable position, the turtle struggles to right itself and is exposed to direct sunlight, which can lead to overheating. Unable to move, the turtle risks dehydration and eventually death. Additionally, being flipped over makes turtles easy targets for predators, further increasing their chances of mortality. Number 5. Sheep. In harsh winters, leather-made products stand out for their exceptional ability to keep us warm and shield us from the cold. These include specialized boots, jackets, and shoes designed to endure extreme conditions. However, it's surprising to learn that improper treatment of a bear's hide can be fatal. If the hide becomes overstretched, it can lead to severe infections that, if untreated, can prove deadly. Proper care is crucial to prevent such dire consequences. Number 4. The sloth. This animal is known for its extreme laziness, earning it the name sloth. It spends most of its time hanging around and sleeping for up to 20 hours a day, sometimes becoming agitated. Although it might sound unusual, this is indeed a fact. Sloths are incredibly slow-moving, with their maximum speed reaching about 250 meters per hour when in danger. In normal conditions, their speed is similarly slow. This sluggishness and prolonged sleep can be detrimental to their survival. Sloths are easy targets for predators, and even white birds can hunt them. Their unique lifestyle makes them unlike any other animal in the world. Number 3. Male spiders. In the intriguing world of spiders, particularly with species such as the Australian redback spider, males encounter a perilous fate after mating. During the mating process, it's not uncommon for the male to become the female's prey. This dramatic behavior, known as sexual cannibalism, involves the female consuming the male after copulation. While this might sound harsh, this seemingly brutal act serves a crucial purpose. By consuming the male, the female gains vital nutrients that boost her chances of survival and enhance the health of her offspring. Thus, what appears as a grim end for the male spider is actually a strategic adaptation that benefits the reproductive success of the species. Number 2. Horses and mules. Proper hoof care is essential for horses and mules, as their hooves continuously grow and require regular maintenance. Without proper care, these animals can face significant problems. Horses and donkeys, especially those used for travel over rugged or mountainous terrain, need their hooves carefully managed to avoid discomfort and injury. Unlike reindeer, whose growing antlers can spread and cause issues, horses and donkeys don't face the same wear and tear problems, but neglected hooves can still lead to serious health issues. If hooves aren't trimmed correctly, it can result in falls and injuries for both the animals and their riders. Number 1. Seals. In the world of marine mammals, male seals, especially those of species like the elephant seal, engage in intense physical confrontations to secure mating rights. These battles can be brutal, involving powerful blows and biting. The severe injuries sustained during these fights can lead to infections or fatal wounds. Additionally, the exhaustion from prolonged battles or the stress of competing for mates can lead to a decreased ability to forage for food, ultimately resulting in starvation and death.